When it comes to managing urinary tract infections in dogs, choosing the right food for dogs with UTI is essential. This video explores the top food options that help maintain urinary health in our canine friends. I will guide you through detailed features, benefits, prices, and reviews to help you make the best choice for your pet. By the way, if you are looking for the best dog food, make sure to check out Sunday's Dog Food. For your convenience, I left a link to their website in the description of this video. If you shop through my link, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I will be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. First on my list is Sunday's Dog Food, priced at $69 for a 4-week supply. This premium dog food is crafted in the USA, featuring human-grade ingredients that you might find on your own plate. The recipes boast a variety of proteins like beef, chicken, and turkey, alongside superfoods like pumpkin, kale, and cranberries, all known for their health benefits. The unique air drying process creates a jerky-like texture that's irresistible to dogs, even the pickiest eaters. It's particularly noted for being gentle on sensitive stomachs, thanks to the inclusion of digestive aids like pumpkin and ginger. The food also supports joint health with natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin, while omega fatty acids ensure a shiny coat. There are no synthetic vitamins or minerals, just a complete and balanced diet made with whole foods. Customer feedback highlights its high palatability and the noticeable health benefits, including urinary, making it a favorite choice for many dog owners. Even though it's a bit pricey, the quality and health benefits it offers makes it a worthwhile investment for your furry friend's diet. Second on the list is Hell's Prescription Diet C/D Multicare, which price starts at $92.99 for a 17.6 lb bag. The specially formulated dog food is designed by veterinarians to support urinary tract health, primarily by helping to dissolve struvite stones and minimize the recurrence of urinary issues. It achieves this through controlled levels of key minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and phosphorus. Additionally, the formula is enriched with antioxidants, potassium, citrate, and omega-3 fatty acids, all aimed at enhancing your dog's overall health while focusing on urinary tract support. Despite being a prescription diet that requires veterinary approval, this product is praised for its palatability, ensuring that dogs not only benefit from its health properties but also enjoy eating it. Many owners have reported that this diet has averted the need for more invasive treatments like surgery. Customer reviews often mention the high cost but acknowledge its efficacy in managing their dog's health, suggesting that the investment can lead to long-term savings on medical care. The food is recommended for lifelong feeding, making it an essential part of daily care for dogs with urinary health concerns. Overall, this diet's clinical backing and preventive approach to urinary health making it a top choice for those dealing with these specific canine health issues. Third is Purina Canine Urinary OX/ST dog food, which costs $58.96 for a 6 lb bag. This veterinary diet is designed to create a urinary environment that reduces the risks associated with the formation of both struvite and calcium oxalate crystals. Its formulations include high-quality protein and essential nutrients that maintain overall health while focusing on preventing urinary issues. The product helps dissolve existing struvite stones and is effective in minimizing the recurrence of stone formation, which is a common concern for many pet owners. The chicken flavor ensures high palatability, which is crucial for dogs that might be finicky eaters. It's formulated to meet the needs of adult dogs, providing a balanced diet with targeted urinary support. As with other prescription diets, a veterinarian's supervision is required for purchase, adding an extra layer of assurance for pet owners. Customer feedback highlights its effectiveness in managing urinary conditions and noticeable improvements in their dog's health after transitioning to this food. While the price is moderate, the benefits it offers in managing urinary health issues are highly valued by pet owners. Fourth on the list is Zesty Paws Cranberry Bladder Bites, priced at $29.97 for 90 chews. These soft chews are enriched with cranberry concentrate and D-mannose, both known for their benefits in promoting urinary tract health. They are designed to support the kidney and bladder health of dogs of all ages and sizes. The inclusion of additional beneficial ingredients like nettle root and astragalus root enhances immune and digestive health, making these chews a comprehensive supplement for overall wellness. Each chew is crafted to be palatable, which ensures easy administration even to the pickiest eaters. Pet owners appreciate the convenience of these chews as they can be given as treats rather than medication. The positive impact on urinary health is frequently mentioned in reviews, with many noting improvements in their pets' comfort and urinary function. The formula also includes ingredients for immune and gut support, which contribute to a holistic approach to pet health. These chews are America's first-selling dog supplement on Amazon, reflecting their popularity and effectiveness. They offer a practical, non-prescription option for maintaining urinary tract health. Finally, the Blue Buffalo Natural Veterinary Diet Weight Management plus Urinary Care at $34.98 for a 6 lb bag. This formula is specifically designed to help dogs achieve and maintain an ideal weight while also caring for their urinary health. It features high-quality chicken as the primary source of protein and is rich in fiber, which helps dogs feel fuller longer, aiding in effective weight management. The control of key mineral levels in the diet helps support urinary care by preventing urinary conditions from developing. This food is free from kitchen or poultry byproduct meals, corn, wheat, soy, and artificial flavors or preservatives, emphasizing its use of natural ingredients. The combination of weight management and urinary health support makes it particularly suitable for dogs that need help in both areas. Pet owners often report that their dogs enjoy the taste, which is crucial for ongoing compliance with dietary changes. While some reviews comment on the price, the dual benefits and high-quality ingredients offer significant value. This diet also requires veterinary authorization, ensuring it is tailored to the specific needs of your dog. The positive reviews often highlight its effectiveness in improving both weight and urinary health, making it a solid choice for holistic canine care. In conclusion, choosing the right food for your dog, especially when dealing with urinary health issues, is crucial for their well-being. Each product we discussed offers specific benefits, from supporting urinary tract health to aiding in weight management and enhancing overall health with natural ingredients. It's important to consult with your veterinarian to find the best diet that fits your dog's specific health needs. However, if you are looking for a natural, balanced option that's both healthy and highly palatable, Sunday's dog food emerges as the best choice for its quality ingredients and comprehensive health benefits. Don't forget, the links to all products mentioned in this video are listed in the description. If you shop through my link, I will receive a small commission at no extra charge to you, which I will be very grateful for. Thanks for watching.